Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add a program to right-click context menu in Windows 11. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey classes root. Click and expand directory. Click and expand background. Click and expand shell. Create new key named as your application or program name. Create new key named as command. Right-click application, click properties. Copy target location. Open default string and paste it. Click OK and exit Registry editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.